Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we discuss the importance of managing chronic inflammation and how it can be linked to various diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. We'll explore the top anti-inflammatory foods including berries, fatty fish, broccoli, avocados, green tea, turmeric, and extra virgin olive oil, and how they help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Inflammation is a regular, necessary part of the body's defense mechanism in the instance of injury and infection. When tissue is injured, the immune cells emit a number of chemical substances that attract other immune cells and cause inflammation. It is instrumental to the bodyguard mechanism, as in its endeavor of clearing unwanted substances, destroying invaders, and setting the stage for repairs. However, inflammation that is chronic is not the same and can actually cause damage. It happens if the body maintains inflammation for an extended period, possibly without proper cause of the inflammation. It has been associated with many diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, arthritis, asthma, some forms of cancers, and certain neurodegenerative disorders. Therefore, as we have seen, it is of uttermost importance to be able to manage chronic inflammation in our body. In this article, we will look at the most important anti-inflammatory foods that you should incorporate into your diet. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are fruits that are small and contain fiber, vitamin, and mineral. They packed with antioxidants known as anthocyanins. The following compounds have inflammation-reducing capacity, hence reducing your disease risk. A journal from 2018 review of literature identifies that some berries contain phytochemicals that can possibly slow down cancer and its progression. In another study, there is stronger evidence that adults who had excess weight who took strawberries had lower level of particular inflammatory markers linked to heart disease. These berries have different nutritional values. For instance, strawberries contain a lot of vitamin C that assist in building strong immune system, skin health, and functions as an antioxidant. Vitamin K, which is found in plenty in blueberries, is essential for healthy bones and blood clotting. Raspberries contain significantly values of dietary fiber, which promotes digestion and gives a steady sugar level in the body. Bear in mind that it is the anthocyanins present in these fruits that continue to be subjects of extensive research. They are the main antioxidants, and the vibrant colors are no coincidence. They assist in combating free radical in the body, which leads to oxidative stress, which is a cause of aging and many other illnesses. Scientific research carried out so far reveal that products containing anthocyanidin help reduce on heart diseases, some forms of cancer, and even neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often part of the healing process occurring in injured or infected tissue, but in chronic form, enemy to heart health, diabetes, and cancer. Berries are considered effective in combating this risk because they are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids which decrease inflammation. A metabolism review of journals published in 2018 is that berries contain phytochemicals that lower the inflammation markers in body and to slow down diseases such as arthritis and IBD. Emerging research has highlighted the role of berries in cancer prevention. Phytochemicals found in strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, such as ellagic acid and flavonoids, have been studied for their ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. These compounds work by interfering with the signals that cancer cells need to grow and spread. For example, ellagic acid has been shown to slow down the progression of tumors in breast, colon, and prostate cancer in laboratory studies. There is strong evidence supporting the role of berries in heart health. In a study involving adults with excess weight, those who consumed strawberries regularly experienced a significant reduction in specific inflammatory markers that are linked to cardiovascular diseases. Blueberries in particular are known to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and improve overall blood pressure levels, which are key factors in reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Berries, despite their natural sweetness, have a low glycemic index, meaning they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes them a perfect choice for people with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. The fiber content in berries slows down the digestion and absorption of sugars, preventing sudden changes in blood glucose levels. These foods include salmon, sardines, herrings, and mackerels. They are sources of proteins as well as eicosapentaenoic acids and eicosahexaenoic acids, which are the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA play a role in preventing inflammation that leads to metabolic syndrome, heart disease, diabetes, and kidney diseases. These fatty acids are processed by the body into compounds such as resolvins and protectins that are more anti-inflammatory in nature. It was discovered that while on the diet plan prepared using either salmon or EPA and DHA capsules, participants recorded decreases in the levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation. Next in our list is broccoli. It contains antioxidative compounds, phytochemicals, fiber, folate, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, vitamin A, protein, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. It belongs to the brassica family, also known as cruciferous vegetables, which includes cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Some of the findings done in the same field reveal that high intake of cruciferous vegetables reduces the chances of developing heart diseases and cancer. This can be attributed to anti-inflammatory properties associated with the antioxidants present in the fruit. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, which is a powerful antioxidant that lowers inflammation since it lowers cytokines and nuclear factor kappa B that are responsible for inflammation in your body. Following the nuts, the next important anti-inflammatory food is avocado. Potassium, magnesium, fiber, and monounsaturated fats beneficial for heart health can all be found in avocados. It also contains carotenoids and tocopherols that have been associated with a lower risk of cancer and heart disease. Moreover, the substance contained in the avocado also aids in preventing inflammation in the new skin cells. Similar to the study by Schwingshackle et al., 2012, in the other randomized controlled trial that involved 51 overweight adults, reductions in interleukin-1 beta and C-reactive protein after a 12-week avocado consumption were observed. I am sure you have heard that green tea, for instance matcha green tea, is one of the most healthy beverages to take. A number of studies have stated that drinking green tea has health benefits in treating or preventing diseases such as heart diseases, cancer, Alzheimer's diseases, obesity, and many other diseases. Most of the benefits result from its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory aspects, particularly a compound referred to as epigallocatechin 3-gallate, or EGCG. EGCG thus reduces inflammation through its ability to modulate production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and protecting the fatty acids in our body. The next fruit which cannot be overlooked is the grapes. There is an element known as anthocyanins that can decrease inflammation, and this can be found in grapes. They can also reduce the likelihood of developing several diseases like heart diseases, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and eye diseases. They also contain antioxidants such as resveratrol, which is also found in red wine and has numerous health benefits. Research also indicates that resveratrol has the ability to shield the organ from inflammation. Turmeric has to be part of this list of diets since it is a very popular spice in Asian countries. Turmeric is a spice with a warming note with an orange hue and can commonly be found in curries and dishes of the Indian subcontinent. It has received a lot of attention because it contains curcumin, which is a strong anti-inflammatory agent. Scientific studies have pointed out that consumption of turmeric is effective in preventing and alleviating inflammation in arthritis, diabetes, and other diseases. One study shows that subjects with metabolic syndrome were given 1 gram of curcumin with piperine from black pepper daily. Their C-reactive protein levels reduced drastically. Indeed, it may be challenging to effectively achieve the desired experience through the consumption of turmeric alone. It is therefore safer to take actual supplements that consist of isolated curcumin rather than the spice itself. Finally, there is a category of oil that is considered the best, and that is EVU, which stands for extra virgin olive oil. It is even possible to consider extra virgin olive oil as one of the fats consumed in the diets that are best for human health. It contains monounsaturated fats and is used extensively in the Mediterranean diet, which is quite beneficial to the body. Literature review has shown that extra virgin olive oil can have adverse effects on heart diseases, brain cancer, obesity, and other severe health complications. A systematic review found that both the Mediterranean diet and extra virgin olive oil reduce inflammatory markers by a notable extent. From the involvement contained in olive oil, oleocanthal is effective in reducing inflammation and has been ranked to be as good as some anti-inflammation drugs such as ibuprofen. It is crucial to understand that the anti-inflammatory properties of extra virgin olive oil are more significant than those of refined olive oils. There are also other anti-inflammatory foods that one can turn to, such as peppers, chocolate, mushrooms, and tomatoes. It showed that besides acute inflammation, even a low-level chronic inflammation has the potential to cause disease. Try your best to minimize inflammation by selecting a colorful assortment of flavorful antioxidant-containing foods. Selecting whole and minimally processed foods and a colorful array of foods may offer more assistive anti-inflammatory nutrients. Do let your family and friends know about this, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.